I'm in Trenton, New Jersey. It's public preview day for the state surplus auction. 139 vehicles at this auction. This auction is also old school, where they have like a live auctioneer, you know, rambling through the bids, and you win it right there on the spot. No online bidding, no remote bidding, nothing like that. Today's our chance to go through the cards. It's a lot. It's a little intimidating also, but I got the auction listing here. We're going to go through the cards. We're going to see what's interesting and see what we like. The first one that jumps out at me is this white Suburban. It's a 2007, and not just because it's a Suburban, but I saw the lugs, and that's got to be a 3/4 ton truck. I don't know why. The only time I've seen 3/4 tons is with Secret Service. 184,000 miles on it. It's got a center console, pretty cool. You know, typical 07. There's a partition over here. There's also, I guess, ventilation controls up there. Out back, we have a mess. I'm going to guess canine. I mean, just from the smell, it's nasty. It's really nasty. I'm confused why Suburban though. And the battery's dead. Can't pop the hatch. Some paint peeling. Some minor damage. It's interesting. It's just kind of an oddball vehicle that I'm not used to seeing. And, oh, a little bit of rust down here. And underneath, yeah, it's interesting. There is a 4-wheel drive controller. So being an 07, an SSV, I mean, is it still an SSV if it's a 3/4 ton Suburban? I'd be interested to see where this ends up at. Just, not as a buyer, just curious. Beyond that Suburban, there are a lot of busted up cars here. A lot. Look at this one. You see this, and you only hope whoever was driving just made it out alive. There ain't nothing left of this car. Ugh. And just a couple cars down from that burned out wreck is lot 76. It's a 2014 Ford Explorer. This is a civilian model, even though it's got the steel wheels and the hubcaps. 203,000 miles, doesn't drive, no keys, and from the front of it, it's a little dirty, a little messed up, but looks pretty decent. Inside, it's a mess, a real mess. This is disgusting. That center console, though, that's interesting. Out back, a busted out quarter window. Look at that. No rear seats, more disgustingness. And out back, well, this is where those 200,000 miles show. This thing is kind of worn out, beat up. Still love that blue though, I can't get past that. I only imagine this is just a parts car at this point, given the miles and the condition of it. And no keys and doesn't run either. And just a few cars down the row is lot 72. It's a 2017 Ford Taurus, 53,900 miles. Again, that blue, man, I love it. This thing's destroyed though. It's a parts car at best. I'm curious about the interior, if it's got the center console, and it doesn't. It doesn't. And out back, yeah, I got it coming and going. This thing is destroyed. But you know, if this had the EcoTech, I guess you could pull the engine out of this, maybe put it in the Explorer over there, and get one good running car out of it. But honestly, I'm just surprised it's here and it's not at the junkyard already smashed up and turned into a bunch of soda cans. At this auction, they have a lot of Crown Vics. A lot of them are busted up. This is item number 7, one of the lowest miles ones. Here, 98,320 miles. It's a 2009 Crown Vic. You can see, had the spotlight at one point. The sticker shadows says it's a New Jersey State Police car. Inside, I mean, I've always liked the charcoal interior on these. This one's a little, I don't know what this mount would be. Why'd they take a radio out? Oh, there it is right there on the floor. Out back, we still got this partition going on. I'm not touching that. And, oh, they got some loose wires hanging out over here. Of course, there's some light bar holes, trunk, roof. Nice Vics with some desirable options go for a lot of money. This car is neither of those. This is basically a disposable car that the state police used up and dumped off here at the auction. And just like that last Vic didn't have a whole lot going for it, this is the opposite. Item number 10. It's a 2009, 137,000 miles on it. Inside we got velour interior. We've got power seats, cruise control. We got an upgraded radio, tinted windows. What is this thing? Clean interior, nice car. I'm liking the color. The miles doesn't bother me too much. Just a little bit of issues right there. A few door dings and scrapes. This is a killer though. That and that inoperable, can't drive. It's a shame. This had everything going for it too. And check out this one, lot 101, 242,000 miles, and there's not much left of this one. And here's one I'm liking, lot 85. It's a 2014 Explorer, 130,000 miles, all-wheel drive. They got these cars packed in here so tight. This one looks good though. I'm always looking for nicer cars. It's got the RSA tires on it. It's got full wheel hubcaps. The inside though is what really got me turned on. I like that center console a lot. Factory center console for a police interceptor. The interior is nice, clean, well put together. Inside the center console, there's a safe. Now I'm all curious. I want to buy it just for the safe, see what's in there. This is nice. This is a clean, nice car. There's a ticket light in the back, interesting. In the back, this is where some of the damage is. There's a little bit, not much at all. And the back door on the passenger side is crinkled up a bit. Same thing with the front door. Man, they make it hard to see these cars. And then every single one of these Explorers, it's the leading edge of the hood. The auction listing on this one says it's inoperable, which is a shame because it's a nice car still, and depending what the issues could be, maybe someone's going to take a chance to get it back on the road. It's got some nice parts on it though, that's for sure. All right, let's do some rapid fire on Crown Vics. Item number 41, 2008 Crown Vic, 188,000 miles. Item 31, a 2007 Crown Vic, 82,000 miles. Item 42, a 2009, 171. 2011, 143,000. And here's an 05 street appearance package, 201,000 miles. Let's go a little old school. Lot 128, it's a 1985 350 Dodge dump truck, 59,000 miles. A little busted up over here. This thing is worn out, beat up. Not a lot of miles, that's for sure. It's got a 4-speed manual. This old girl's definitely seen better days. And here's a trio of busted up Explorers, all super low miles, 42,000, 45,000, 50,000 miles on these. What I like is that. But every one of these, it's salvaged. There's nothing left of these. And this one seems to be the best of them, of the three. And, oh, yep, never mind. Not much left of that one either. Apparently I'm on Salvage Row. Here's a 2019 Suburban, 25,000 miles. Airbags deployed. This thing is... Why is it even here? I guess there's some parts on it. This thing is a mess. And you wonder why stuff like this is even here at the auction to begin with. So that's the auction preview. Certainly a different feel and flavor and style than what I'm used to over in Delaware. There's a couple cars in here that I was interested in, cosmetically anyway, but mechanically they were just too much of a mess or too much unknowns to take a chance on. Otherwise, I'm done here. I appreciate you joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.